Today, Captain Vijaykanth ji condolence day, death anniversary. Because of Congress party, we are giving the wreath and a prayer meeting we participated. So it's the greatest hero, the Tamil Nadu. Vijaykanth ji love and affection with the Tamil Nadu people. That's why we are praising about him. This is a BJP model government in Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, everywhere. They are doing like this only. Victims cannot get the relief, justice. Accused will get the relief, justice. This is the BJP formula. That the party suprema will decide. We can't say anything. What I said about the captain love the minority people, Christian, Muslim, Buddhist, Sikhs, Parsis. He is hero for the hall, leader for the hall. He is not for the specifically this community, that community. He is leader for all, hero for all. That's why I told about the good character of our Vijaykanth. That is Stalin ji will decide.